So check it out. I've got a good Christian brother who's always dropping me off little projects that he thinks will keep me busy. I guess he goes along with that old adage that idle hands are the devil's playthings. But anyway, he dropped me off a couple of old steamers, including this 8904. The motor runs good, but it was missing the rear trucks, which means it was also missing the drawbar. And as I was looking at it, I was guessing it was like really early MPC. Wasn't sure, but I noticed that the 8141, the plastic shell that came in the Silver Star set, looked very similar to it in size and shape and everything. Here's the Silver Star one. And so I had this one sitting up there on my with my other locomotives, so I took the works out of it, and sure enough, I was able to put a working smoke unit as well as a sound of steam unit. And so I found a tender that I'd had sitting around as one of the from a Chesapeake Flyer set, so it's really not, it needs to be cleaned up. But anyway, it looks good with it. So the first thing I did was I touched up the paint. I replaced the missing bell. That's the only difference I noticed. This is a nice metal shell though, so I thought this would be great to have the works in a metal shell. And I also decided to paint a white stripe here along the catwalk. So I got it all cleaned up, got that tender hooked up to it, put some Mega Steam down the stack. So we're going to take it for a spin. You can check it out. For an MPC era smoke unit, this one works really well. It's a great smoker. And that Mega Steam really works well in them too. Get this thing broke in really good. It's been sitting around for quite a while. It hasn't been run. I did give it some lubrication though. And we'll follow it around a little bit. It's quite a smoker. And we'll set it down. Try not to jar things too much. There we go. Turn that out of that. And I'm running a couple of the new cars that I got from Allentown, a couple of the tank cars out of Mark's mold, and a Christmas tank car I just picked up, peppermint something or other. A couple of Cabis. I bought them because they have the roller pickups. They have two of them, and I think I got each one of those for $5. And the roller pickups are worth more than that. So, but maybe if I don't keep the caboose, I'll use the roller pickup for projects. Pretty nice sound of steam unit in that one too. Got a good board in it. All right, runs great, looks really great. It's metal, it's heavy. I like the nice green marker lights. So it's a great addition, and I've got a good running motor in it. And I'm guessing that's really early MPC era. It must be, they had to punch this 8141 out of pretty much the same mold. I'm not sure how they do that, but sure looks a lot like it, and it fits. So if you've got an old metal one, 8904 laying around, and you want to put a good running motor in it and use the heavier shell, these 8141s will fit in there. So the motors out of them, I mean. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.